Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use InShot for photo editing with song or music. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot, and first of all, we can create new project. Go to the video and then select new and choose the photos you want to edit with song or music. And I'm just going to pick random photos from my gallery. Okay, then once you're done selecting the photo, you can click on the check mark and then you are going to add music to your video. You can click on the audio and then you can select music, and here you can choose either you want to add music from InShot or you can also add your own music. And I'm just going to add music from InShot. I'm going to select this category and I'm going to add this music. Oops, sorry, I cannot play the music due to the copyright, and I'm just going to use it for my video. Okay, and then click on this check mark, and after that I'm going to make my photo, all my photos have same duration, so I'm gonna go to the duration and I'm going to set it in 3 seconds and click on this double check mark and select apply to all. Alright, and after that I'm going to apply transition. I'm just going to click on this transition menu and select the transition you want to apply. I'm going to apply one transition to all my clip or my photos. I'm going to apply this one and click on this double check mark to apply it to all. Okay, and the last one I'm going to add animation. I'm going to go to the animation menu. Wait, this one, and I'm going to apply combo animation. Okay, just choose the animation that you like this. Oops. Okay, all right, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use InShot for photo editing with song or music. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.